INS Trikan carrying 40 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen filled containers arrived in Mumbai's naval dockyard from Qatar as a part of Indian Navy's Operation Samudra Setu 2. The Indian Navy deployed the warship to bring the oxygen cryogenic containers from Qatar's Hamad port. The ship entered Hamad port, Qatar on 5th May and embarked on the maiden shipment of oxygen containers. The oxygen containers were facilitated by the French mission as a part of Oxygen Solidarity Bridge. The INS Trikan's captain Harish Bauguna stated that an additional 600 metric tons of the liquid medical oxygen would be brought to India over the next 2 months. We as frontline workers stand steadfast in performing our duties in providing succor to our fellow countrymen in need. This effort is part of several measures undertaken by the Indian Navy to support the overall national COVID response. At the same time, another Navy warship INS Airawat carrying 8 cryogenic oxygen tankers and 3,898 oxygen cylinders reached Andhra Pradesh's Visakhapatnam from Singapore. She is carrying 8 cryogenic oxygen tanks, over 3,600 oxygen cylinders, 7 oxygen concentrators, and other medical supplies. 6 ships from the Western Command, 1 from Southern Naval Command, and 2 from the Eastern Naval Command are doing a heavy lift. According to the Indian Navy, the warship carrying medical supplies departed from Singapore on 5th May. Besides oxygen containers, the Indian Navy warship also brought 10,000 rapid antigen kits and 450 PPE kits. Indian Navy had launched Operation Samudra 2 on April 30 to provide seamless transportation of necessary medical supplies from foreign countries. As a part of the ongoing national effort to fight the COVID-19 pandemic, the Indian Navy has launched Operation Samudra Setu 2 to bring in by sea the much needed oxygen and associated medical supplies from friendly foreign countries. As many as 9 warships have been diverted to various ports in the region, extending from Kuwait in west to Singapore in the east. As India is reeling under the second wave of novel coronavirus, several countries like the United States, United Kingdom, and Russia have extended their support to the country to battle against the virus.